Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2021 BMW M8 competition. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I do not see any paint chips or scratches on the front. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver door. I do not see any scratches on this door at all, or no dents. Everything here is spotless. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the back of the car. Okay, the trunk and back bumper are perfect. They have no scratches on them at all. Everything here is spotless and in good condition. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. I do not see any scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. Okay, I do not see any scratches or dents on this door at all. Everything here looks fine. Let's have a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender looks perfect. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I do not see any wear and tear on this door panel. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. The seat is spotless. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. Everything here looks fine. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Okay, as you can see, the steering wheel buttons look perfect, and also around the steering wheel, the leather and stitching is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.